This recipe is for creamy peppered beef. Very simple and easy recipe using Northern Ireland farm quality assured chump steak this time. So I'm just going to prepare the meat and I'm going to remove that piece of rind along the top and then just cut it into nice thin strips, probably about 1/4 inch thick. And just put the meat on to join the rest. I need again a very hot pan. Something like this is perfect for cooking this dish. The chump steak, or you can use rump steak if you like, is perfect for stir frying or for cooking very quickly at the beginning and then allowing to simmer for about 20 minutes, which is exactly what we're going to be doing in this recipe. Always remember, when you're purchasing your beef from the butcher or your local supermarket or retailer, look out for that logo. It's very important. Find the Northern Ireland farm quality assured logo. You just want to stir the meat very quickly in the pan. Keep moving it. While the meat's browning, I'm going to get on and prepare the rest of my vegetables for the recipe. So the rest of my ingredients are some peppers, mushrooms, red onion and a little bit of garlic. I'm going to finish it off with a pinch of chilli powder, or you can use chilli flakes or fresh red chilli if you want, a little bit of beef stock, and finish it off with cream. The pepper, I just need to remove the stalk and remove the inside seeds. Just pull those wee bits out. Cut it in half and then just cut it into strips. Finish off my mushrooms. I've got about 250 grams of mushrooms and you just want to slice them into 3 or 4. I've got 2 cloves of garlic for the recipe, and again you can either mince them or finely slice them. The meat is starting to colour quite quickly. And now we need to get the vegetables in here as quickly as possible. So firstly, red pepper. And the yellow pepper. Stir them around just until they start to become a little bit soft. Very quickly, almost like you're stir frying. I'm going to add the red onion at this stage and the mushrooms. Keep stirring, keep moving everything around in the pan and allowing all those vegetables to take on a bit of colour and to start to soften. After 3 or 4 minutes, the vegetables have started to soften and they've released those lovely juices the bottom of the pan, which are packed full of flavour. So to that, I'm just going to add a little bit of chilli powder, just for that extra kick. 250 millilitres of beef stock, and about 150 millilitres of cream. And that will just enrich the whole dish. So give it another stir. And what I'm going to do now is just turn the heat down and let that simmer for about 20 minutes. Sauce now has really thickened, you can see, and that's the consistency that you want. You want it really thick. I'm just going to finish it off with a little bit of chopped fresh parsley. The parsley will just add an extra little bit of colour. Okay, I think that's good to go. I have cooked some basmati rice and that's just been steaming as the peppered beef has been cooking. So I'll just put some on the bottom of the bowl and then spoon some of this delicious peppered beef on top. Lovely colours, the yellow peppers and red peppers and bits of parsley just look so appetising. And that is the creamy peppered beef with basmati rice. And remember to come back and check out the website for even more delicious and tasty beef and lamb recipes.